Hello guys. Let's make a very simple recipe. Sweet lassi. Take a blender. Add a pinch of cardamom powder. Add curd as required. Now add sugar as required. I am lazy, so I am putting it from the jar itself. Now blend well with the blender. Pour it directly to the glass and ready for serve. Here is your Elachi sweet lassi ready. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and share.